Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about CHAMP VA or CHAMPVA, what it is, who is eligible, and how to apply. Now, the biggest takeaway with CHAMP VA is that it is for eligible spouses and dependents. It is not for the veteran themselves. Now, the veteran does have to be 100% permanent in total, so 100% P&T with the VA in order for their families and their dependents, their spouses to be eligible for CHAMP VA. One common misconception with CHAMPVA is that when you hit 100% permanent in total, that it is automatically added to your account and that your dependents are now eligible for healthcare. That is not true. You are eligible once you hit 100% permanent in total, but it does not automatically apply. You have to apply online, through mail, or by fax to get your dependents added to your account. And these are also dependents that are not already enrolled in TRICARE. Those veterans who are retired and already enrolled in TRICARE are not eligible for CHAMP VA. I'm going to screen share with you guys in a moment to show you how to use the online tool for application. But like I said, you can also do it through the mail or by fax by completing two VA forms. Those are going to be forms VA 10-10D and form 10-7959C. You'll use those same forms for the fax option, and I will leave the mailing and fax instructions in the description box below. Now, those two forms are one, the application, and two, the other health insurance information form. So CHAMP VA will be applied as a secondary insurance if you have other insurance available. If you don't have any other insurance for your family, that would be your primary. You'll need to log into va.gov with ID Me. Make sure you have an account created, and if you don't, check out our other video for that tutorial. You can look under VA Benefits and Healthcare and start under Family and Caregivers, or you can simply go to the search bar and type in CHAMPVA. Once you're eligible for CHAMPVA, this is where you'll go to file a claim, but since you're not already registered for CHAMP VA, we're going to start here. Since we already discussed eligibility, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the online application. If you haven't already applied, make sure you scroll down and start your form. This should only take about 15 minutes if you have all of your documents, but if you don't, you have until the end of the calendar year to complete. Make sure you're checking the correct boxes here. They're going to ask a few verifying questions. Go ahead and fill in your eligibility information. Page 2 on eligibility is going to be, are you permanently and totally disabled from a service-connected disability or a combination thereof? This is key for your eligibility. Now, like we talked about, you are not eligible if you are eligible for TRICARE, so make sure you answer accordingly. If those two questions are not yes, don't continue. Go ahead and exit application. If they are both yes, go ahead and continue. They'll ask a few more personnel questions and continue. If you're outside of the US, check this box. If not, fill in your address below. And more contact information on this next page and continue. Page 4 is applicant information. So they're going to ask you for information about who is going to need the CHAMPVA benefit. So these are going to be the dependents that are under you as the veteran. You're going to need their social security number, mailing address, and all of those details. So make sure you have all of that handy when you're doing your application. There's going to be many pages of personal information. I'm going to go ahead and skip through all of those to step 5, which is Medicare information. So if you're doing this through the mail, this is going to be VA form 10-7959C. Again, whether it's Medicare or other health insurance, make sure you note that here. And continue. Again, make sure you report any other health insurance here. This last page is going to be your review application page. Make sure you check all these drop downs for more information. Make sure your information is correct. You are then going to the bottom to the statement of truth, confirming the identity of this information is correct and accurate and that you are accepting the terms. So make sure you do all of these pages on the online form and certify that it is correct and submit your form. If you're doing this through the mail, make sure you check every box and check your address. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about other 100% permanent and total benefits, don't forget to leave them down below. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay informed.